Hey guys, welcome to LZH Project. My name is Salman Francis and this is desktop edition of our LZH project and part 2 of our desktop edition. So if you remember from our previous video where we installed OpenSUSE Linux on our virtual machine. So after installation, let me show you what are the next steps so that you can feel free and you can just make yourself easy with this distro. So once you have installed OpenSUSE, you will be presented with this screen. You can change the desktop feelings and these backgrounds with this change. Right click on it and then click change background, and it will then present you with number of backgrounds you can select from. So over here you can see the background, and then you can see here wallpapers, pictures. If you have any, you can add the images, but I don't have it at the moment. Colors, you can select the colors, so we can change this background. Click on it and then press select, and you can see in a flash it will change. Okay, so I just want to go back because it's pretty sharp. Okay, once you are done, you can click on this activities, and then you can drag these on this pane. Okay, once you click this activities, you can see this search bar, and over here you can, if you want, you can write, you can type anything and it will search for you. Let's say I just want to launch a terminal, so I'll just write term, and you can see that it has like found that terminal for me. And once it's there, you can just click on it, and yeah, just click on it and it will open for you. Okay, so that's how you open the terminal in this desktop. By dragging the mouse up and down, you can make this terminal big or small as per your requirement, and then you can drag it up or drag it down as per your need. Okay, so once you have this terminal open, now if you want, you can sudo into root or switch user, sorry. You can switch user with su command and typing the password. And now if you click who am I, you can see that you are the root user. So SUSE Linux is also an RPM based Linux or distro. Okay, now if you wish to install some software in it, you can use Yast and Zyper. Zyper is like, you use Zyper. Let's say I want to install Tmux, RPM query A of Tmux. Sorry. Tmux will reveal that it's not installed. So Zyper search, let's say Tmux, and it's searching, and you can see it brought me that it's a terminal multiplexer. So I would like to install it, but I will rather install it with Yast. Tmux, I'll just launch Yast. Okay, and then I'll just wait. It's loading the modules. Okay, once it's done, I'll select this software. I can navigate in these panes with up and down arrows and with the tab key. Okay, I'll just select software. Then on the right hand side, I'll select software management. Press enter. Okay, and wait. Okay, once it's done, you'll write this in the search phase. You'll write tmux, press enter, and it will find this tmux for you. It's available. Let's just tab to tmux. Okay, press enter, and it will add this plus symbol, which means that it's ready for installation. And then what you need to do is you need to tab. Okay, I'm going to just expand this terminal so you will be able to see that what other options are available. Okay, so just tab down. Okay, so I just expanded this from the bottom, and you can see it has accept and cancel. So just tab to this accept, press enter, and it will start installing the required application. Okay, just make sure you have internet available. And you can see it's an RPM. So that proves that SUSE is an RPM based distro. Okay, installation is successful. Just tab to finish and then tab to quit. Okay, now if this time I'll run RPM query tmux, it will reveal that tmux is installed. Just wait over there. Here you are. So it's installed, and if I run tmux, so there we have it. Okay, Control D. Let me clear the screen. Control D. Okay, now to browse the internet, we'll just go to okay, let me just close this, or just let me minimize it. Okay, click on activities, and we have Firefox browser installed in this by default. It comes with OpenSUSE. Okay, you can see that internet is available. Okay, now how you can see your network? There are a number of ways actually. With the terminal, you can use ifconfig. Let me just okay. You can use ifconfig, and to set up network you can use an NMTUI utility also. In the SUSE Linux, it comes with NM2UI. You can edit your connection over here, and you can edit anything with this utility. Okay, I don't want to do anything. Okay, we can set up the host name. Okay, another network manager is also available. Let me close this now. You'll just go to activities and just type network, and here you can see network tools, network connections, and network services, network settings. bundle of tools. Let's go to network connection. Okay, you can select this, click on edit, and then you can go to IPv4 settings. You can just select here from manual to automatic DHCP, link local, and stuff like that. And then if you want, you can add multiple IP addresses here as well. Okay, you can change the DNS, you can add static routes here. Okay, so once you are done, you can close it or save it. Okay, what else we have here? We have our office suite and files. Okay, this is the file system. If I click on files, it will present us with root, home, different directories. So over here you can see home, documents. Okay, you can right click, create new folder. Okay, then you can save your documents over here. This is the trash. Okay, SUSE also provides you with one-click install. Let me show you. Let's go to this one website. I would like to install video player in this, and I am interested in VLC. Okay, so I'll just click here for OpenSUSE. Over here you can see using one-click install. Download VLC for OpenSUSE using one-click install. Click here. Okay, once we click this, use one-click install, now we need to select our distro. It's 13.2. Okay. Okay, save file. Click on it. So you see it's running this screen now, this software automatically. Click next. Okay, next. Yeah, we have reviewed. Okay, software is being installed. Let's wait. Give your root password and then click continue. Now the installation has started. Okay, I trust it. So it's going to download like 47 packages. I'm just going to pause the video and we'll be back. Okay, the installation is almost complete. It's 87%. Okay, the installation is 100% complete, and soon we will have our running VLC video player. Okay. And you can see its installation was successful. Click finish. Okay, so let's see if our video LAN or VLC player is installed. Click on activities. Okay, in the search box just type VLC. Okay, and there we have it. VLC player is installed. Click on it and it will start our VLC. Okay, so here we have it, our VLC player is installed, and we can, if you guys have any videos, you can check it. At the moment I don't have any video, but I know that it works perfectly fine. And there are other number of players like SM player you can install in SUSE Linux. Then there is Bunchy. Then there is yeah, I have been using SM player and VLC that work perfectly fine. So that's all for this a brief introduction of desktop, and in our next video we will explore how we can start LibreOffice and our email client. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.